Hytera, South Africa, where innovation meets collaboration. Our facility, located in the heart of Johannesburg, is designed to inspire creativity and excellence.
Welcome to Hytera.
Our networking and meeting pods are hubs of creativity, where ideas come to life through collaboration.
These pods are where we gather to innovate ideas that truly matter.
In our product demo room, you can experience the forefront of communication technology. Here, we showcase how our innovations are transforming industries.
This is where we connect with our clients to demonstrate Hytera technology in a real-world application.
Our formal meeting room is designed for high-impact discussions, equipped with the latest technology to ensure that every meeting is productive and professional.
This space allows us to focus on our strategy with all the tools that we need at our fingertips.
Our boardrooms and private offices provide the perfect environment for focused work and important meetings, blending comfort with functionality.
This is a great space that balances privacy with connectivity for us to achieve our goals.
This is where creativity thrives. Being able to work closely with my team makes all the difference.
At Hytera, collaboration is key. Our open-plan hot desk workstations foster teamwork, allowing ideas to flow freely in a vibrant, open environment. Our networking lounge area offers a relaxed setting for informal conversations, where connections are made and creativity is nurtured.
This space is perfect for recharging and sparking new ideas. It's actually where some of our big projects started.
Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Hytera, South Africa. Our modern, innovative workspace is designed to empower our teams and deliver exceptional results. We look forward to welcoming you in person.